All right, let's take you directly right now to Bihar, where there's pandemonium on the floor of the House with the latest political developments at play. We just heard Jitin Ram Manjhi, who addressed a press conference where he went on to say that the Speaker acted unconstitutionally. His leaders were threatened by RJD and other JDU members. Well, this is what is taking place inside the Assembly. Now, abject pandemonium taking place. Well, today was to be a trust vote, but it all petered down early today morning when Jitin Ram Manjhi tendered in his resignation, while leaving not just himself but also the BJP completely embarrassed. The BJP had in a whip asked all 87 legislators to vote in support of the Bihar Chief Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi. Well, he has tendered in his resignation a short while back. He also spoke to the media where he squarely blamed the Speaker for acting unconstitutionally. On the other hand, he also stated that many leaders supporting him were threatened, given death threats as well. Well, right now what we're getting in is that the Bihar Assembly has been adjourned sine die.
राज्यपाल महोदय से पहले हम लोगों ने अनुरोध किया था कि गुप्त मतदान हो, और उन्होंने गैलरी डिवीजन के साथ साथ गुप्त मतदान के बारे में भी एक ऑप्शन दिया था। हम इन सब कारणों से समझ में आया कि वो गुप्त मतदान कराने की स्थिति में नहीं है, चूंकि कल बोल भी चुके कि संविधान में ऐसी कोई प्रावधान नहीं है कि हम गुप्त मतदान कराएं। तो ये भी लगा कि गुप्त मतदान नहीं कराएंगे तो हमारे विधायकों को एक तरह से जान से मारने, तंग तबाह करने के साथ साथ उनकी सदस्यता समाप्त करने के संबंध में भी थ्रेटनिंग दिया जाता रहा। और बात सही भी थी कि यदि हमारे साथ हमारे लोग बैठ करके अपनी बात कहते या हमारे लिए मतदान करते तो वैसी परिस्थिति में उनकी सदस्यता जाने की भी बात थी। एक बार हमने आपसे कहा भी है कि 2 महीना 3 महीना हमने काम किया, और सही मैं कहता हूं, हो सकता है कि वो बात उचित नहीं हो, लेकिन हम अपने मर्जी से कुछ नहीं किया। कौन विभाग किस मंत्री को दिया जाए, कौन मंत्री परिषद में शामिल हो।
Well, that was Jitin Ram Manjhi speaking to the media a short while back. What an anticlimax it all came down to. Things had reached a crescendo early today morning when the Bihar Assembly was going in for a trust vote, but Jitin Ram Manjhi tendered in his resignation. He has given various reasons on why he has... All right, now these are the scenes being witnessed inside the House. What we do know is that the Assembly has been adjourned, but understandably with what is going on outside the House. A short while back, we'd also seen BJP legislators protesting. Well, they were hoping to whip up maximum support for the cause of the Mahadalit when Jitin Ram Manjhi sought the trust vote. Well, that was not to have happened, and Jitin Ram Manjhi had tendered in his resignation, leaving BJP legislators completely red-faced. In a whip, the BJP had asked all 87 of its legislators to vote in support of the Bihar Chief Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi. But complete anti-climax there which has taken place. Jitin Ram Manjhi clearly understanding that he is going to be defeated, tendered in his resignation. He gave certain reasons as to why he did so at the press conference. But now it clearly paves the way for Nitish Kumar to stake claim to governance.
इस चीज का फैसला बजट सत्र के पहले कर लेना चाहिए, और महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय भी प्रारंभ में इस तर्क से सहमत थे, लेकिन बाद में सब कुछ हुआ। पूरी कोशिश की गई जोड़ तोड़ की, अब उसमें कामयाबी नहीं मिली। उसके बाद इस प्रकार का फैसला अचानक सुनने में आ रहा है। अभी मुझे आधिकारिक तौर पर सूचना नहीं है, मैं तो सदन की कार्यवाही में हिस्सा लेने के लिए भी आया और इस बीच में यह सब हुआ, लेकिन इसके बारे में पूरी स्थिति स्पष्ट होगी। हम लोग अपनी प्रतिक्रिया देंगे और आगे क्या करना है इसके बारे में भी आपको जानकारी देंगे।
There are now 3 eventualities for Bihar, and the decision lies with Governor Tripathi. Number 1, Governor can permit Nitish Kumar to stake claim as Chief Minister. Number 2, he can also dissolve the Assembly. This has been recommended by Manjhi, who is pushing for fresh elections in Bihar. Number 3, and the least likely possibility, is that the Governor can recommend President's rule. Well, that is right now 3 options right in front of the governor. The ball is in the governor's court. Jitin Ram Majhi tendering in his resignation. Extremely elated Nitish Kumar. Well, he hopes to stake claim to governance soon, but there are options that the governor can exercise, and we just ran our viewers through the 3 options that lie in front of the governor. One of them, of course, is what Jitin Ram Majhi had asked for in that press conference, which he addressed a short while back, where he said that fresh election need to be called and the assembly needs to be dissolved. Let's listen in to all the reactions we're getting in on the story.
इसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई रोल नहीं है। ये पूरी तरह से जदयू का अंदरूनी मामला था। किस गुट के पास बहुमत है ये विधानसभा के फ्लोर पर ही तय होना था। भारतीय जनता पार्टी न्याय के साथ रही। हमने महादलित समाज के एक व्यक्ति को अकेले नहीं छोड़ा। हम मजबूती से उनके साथ खड़े रहे।
ये तो सब बीजेपी के खाली चढ़ावे पर टोटल काम हुआ है। टोटल बीजेपी के एजेंडे पे वो काम कर रहे थे। उनके कथनी अंतर उनके खिलौना बने हुए थे। उनके जो छुपा एजेंडा है उसी पर काम कर रहे थे। उनको बेइज्जत किया है उन लोगों ने। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी ने तो उनको इतना सम्मान दिया था।
Well, those are the reactions coming in, but we're going to run our viewers through the very latest in terms of the developments taking place. Well, pandemonium inside the assembly where Bihar is concerned. The assembly has been adjourned sine die, but major chaos outside as well. Things were building up to a crescendo when news broke that Jitin Ram Majhi has tendered in his resignation. Quite an anti-climax to that build-up there. And now it does seem that Nitish Kumar is extremely happy that he will have a clear go to form government. But the ball now in the governor's court. He has 3 options that he in fact can exercise.